My mom is going to try this French. Is it kind of like French braids? French braid, kind of. It's called a waterfall on my hair, but we're waiting for it to dry because I just got out of the shower. Honey bone, and it wasn't very. Mommy's going to try the waterfall. And we're not really sure how it's going to turn out, so I'm really scared about it. I'm scared.
No need to really be scared.
You're going to do something crazy with my hair. Let me have it. Oh, by the way, we're trying to do this because Mommy looked like something about hairstyles. And we wanted to try, we saw this waterfall video, and Mommy wanted to try it on my hair.
No. Lies. You wanted to try it on your hair. But I'm having a hard time even getting it started. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Let's
do this thing.
So face here.
Ooh, pretty.
Can you see it?
Mm-hmm, I can see it.
It's like a waterfall.
Okay, you want to try it to this side and then tie these two together? Do you want to? Okay, so now we're going to try the other side, like right here. And by the way, that person who thought of the waterfall, not like thought of it and made it up, but where we saw it was cute girls' hairstyles.
Alright.
Here we go. Let's move it on to top of the wall.
So what do you think?
I think it's,
do you like it with both the braids or just one side?
I like both of it. Both of them. No! No! No, look, my tongue's already in my mouth, but it's still in there. Look. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Thumbs up if you see links in the background.
Oh, thumbs up. Oh, you're not talking about sex. Anyways, it's the question of the daytime. And I'm doing it. Hey, 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 what do you say? Time for the question of the day. Hooray.
This is what happens when they can see themselves on the camera.
Hey, 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 what do you say? Time for the question of the day. Hooray.
Where's Haley?
The question of the day is, where's Haley? The real question of the day, where's Mommy? Is, where's Annie?
I don't know where she went.
Is, what did you have for dinner, or what are you having for dinner? Pizza! We had chicken parmesan. Chicken parmesan. It's when you eat food and you chew it. No, that's dinner. That's what you do for dinner. Oh, okay. I know. Chicken parmesan is this some kind of chicken and some noodles. With this little red sauce. We also had veggies. Ooh. With carrots. I have to take your tiny secret. Stop doing stop doing that, guys. Jeez. Anyways, comment down below, because we want to know. So comment down below. I said that 2 times. What did you eat for dinner, or what are you eating for dinner?
I apologize for Caleb's goofiness. He doesn't often look in a mirror. And this is what happens when Caleb sees himself.
I'll dodge you. Oh my gosh, Caleb. You may want to log out of this. So right now, bye. See you tomorrow.
Click stop.
Bye. Say bye, Caleb. Bye.